Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. What food has the highest level of calcium? Calcium is the most abundant mineral in the body. You store 99% of calcium in the teeth and bones, which helps keep them strong, and reduces the risk of bone-related medical conditions like osteoporosis. Generally, you absorb more calcium from dairy and fortified foods compared to plant-based options. Here are 9 calcium-rich foods to help you meet your calcium needs. Number 1. Tahini. Tahini, a paste made from sesame seeds, has 154 milligrams of calcium in each tablespoon. Tahini has a consistency similar to peanut butter, so you can try spreading it on toast. It's also a common ingredient in hummus recipes. Number 2. Tofu. Most tofu is prepared with calcium sulfate, and contains 434 milligrams of calcium per half cup. Firm tofu has more calcium than other varieties, but all tofu made with calcium sulfate can help you increase calcium intake. Number 3. Canned sardines. 3 ounces of canned sardines contain 325 milligrams of calcium. Eat sardines on crackers or incorporate them into salads. If you don't like sardines, consider canned salmon, which contains 181 milligrams of calcium per 3 ounces. Number 4. Breakfast cereals. Many breakfast cereals are fortified in order to provide about 10% of the recommended daily intake of calcium. That means you'll get about 130 milligrams of calcium per serving. If you add a cup of cow's milk to your cereal, that'll boost the calcium content to 430 milligrams, nearly half of your daily recommended value. Number 5. Fortified juice. Juices that are fortified with calcium provide about 350 milligrams of calcium in each cup. Common fortified juices you may find at your local grocery include grapefruit or orange juice. Number 6. Cheese. Cheese is an excellent source of calcium. Hard cheeses like Parmesan and cheddar have about 240 milligrams in 30 grams, while more moist cheeses like mozzarella and feta have a similar amount in half a cup. Number 7. Yogurt. A cup of plain, non-fat yogurt has 488 milligrams of calcium, nearly half of the recommended daily intake. Greek yogurt has slightly less calcium, about 260 grams per cup. Number 8. Milk. A cup of cow's milk contains about 300 milligrams of calcium, but you don't have to consume dairy milk to get your calcium boost for the day. Soy and other non-dairy milk alternatives may be fortified to contain the same amount of calcium as cow's milk. However, be aware that soy also contains a compound that can interfere with calcium absorption, so other milk alternatives, like almond or cashew milk, may be a better choice. Number 9. Almond milk. If you're looking for dairy alternatives, unsweetened, fortified almond milk is a great source of calcium. It contains 442 milligrams of calcium in each cup, and has 0 added sugar. Check labels, though, since fortification varies. Calcium is important for the body, but getting enough can be complicated. That's because the body doesn't absorb all the calcium you eat, and most people don't eat adequate amounts of calcium-containing foods. Calcium is absorbed most easily from dairy and fortified foods like alternative milks, juices, and cereals. It's less easily absorbed from plants, especially soy and spinach. Ensure that you're getting enough calcium by prioritizing dairy and other calcium-rich foods. If you're concerned that you're not getting the recommended daily amount, talk to your doctor about whether calcium supplements might be right for you. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.